What's up you guys? My name is Jetsi V. Today we are gonna be doing some... Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? It is the jacket season, sweater season. That means it's the fall season, and it is my favorite season of the year because it is just perfect weather. There's days where it's cold, there's warm, not too hot, not too cold. It's like the three little bears. Today we are gonna do a lot of brown, a lot of gold, a lot of yellow, all of that. So what that means is that the leaves color during fall. It's so pretty outside. I'm gonna stop blabbing now because let's go to the video. So I just finished doing my primer, my foundation, my concealer, and my setting powder. So I just did all of that in fast motion. There is a little tip that I do want to give out, is that now it's a fall season, so you want to use something like primer wise, a little bit more oil in it. So primer for the summer, I'm usually like all sweaty and more oily and all of that shebang. But for the fall season, I'm usually very dry. I still have combination skin, but I'm more dry on certain areas. It gets really like cracky, and then when I put my makeup on, it shows a lot more that my makeup is all dry. So you do wanna have a little bit of oil-based primer. So once you put your powder and everything, it absorbs it, but it doesn't make your skin too dry. So what I use is I use the NYX Hydra Touch Oil Primer. I usually use this during the fall season and the winter season. So it's really good to have your colors match with the season you're in right now. So don't forget to wet your brush, not too wet, okay? It's a little bit damp. Just so we can have more pigmented colors, and that usually helps me when my brushes are moist, damp, wet. Yeah. So remember, I have hooded eyelids. So when I close my eyes like this, part of my eyes right here, below my line right here, it's covered when I open my eyes. So the trick to this is to go a little bit above the line, go straight from the bridge of your nose, go straight right here, and then you go up. Okay? We're gonna start with orange. Go from your nose, the bridge of your nose, go make a line, and you go up. But of course, if you don't have hooded eyes, that's okay. You have your natural creases, got lucky. But for hooded eyes people, we do this. And then you kind of just blend. Make sure you don't have any solid lines. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I'm not satisfied. I want a little bit darker. I want it to pop, drop. That's okay. If you have to be extra, be extra. Because I'm extra. Don't be basic, girl. Don't be basic. So now I'm gonna get some brown, and I'm gonna use the same brush. Tap away. Now with the brown, kinda wanna just tap or dab, whatever. And then you kinda wanna just go up a little bit on your brow bone. So make sure you get your blending brush or some sort of brush. Make sure you blend all those lines because we don't want that, okay? So now I'm gonna get my concealer. You can use a concealer that you don't really use. I use my Maybelline Fit Me because I don't really use this anymore. So when you make your half circle, go above your crease line. That's the only part that I put the setting powder. So you can grab your yellow or your gold, and then you kind of just dab it right on the concealer. Now grab a little bit of your gold or yellow and put that dab some on your inner corners. This will give an open eye effect. Open eyes, or just make your eyes a little bit bigger. I have chinky eyes, so it kind of helps me. Now if you can take your finger and go back to your yellow, I usually do this very last, is I kind of just tap it right in the middle to contour my nose because I have flat nose, and so it is a must to contour. Go from my eyebrow and going down to the tip of my nose. I'm gonna get this kind of light gold bronze color and highlighter, and I'm gonna dab that right in the middle of my nose and the bridge of my nose, not too much, and I'm gonna blend that in by just doing a tapping motion. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our eyelid, and so you put white eyeshadow right below your eyebrow, highlights that area right there. Okay, so you guys, I just decided to make a wing, make that gold wing right here. Changed my mind after 5 minutes, but that's okay. That's how women are. We do that all the time. If that's not you, that's me. Okay, so I know I already put my eyeshadow right here, but I'm gonna make a wing line. Make a wing. If you don't want the wing, you don't need to do this extra step. Now I'm gonna go back to my gold, and I'm gonna fill that in. And so now it's time for our eyeliner. So I'm gonna use a liquid eyeliner, and then I'm gonna make my line really thin. So now we're gonna do the brows, and what I use for my brows is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio 380 Deep Brown. And then they provide this little magical wand brush, and this is what it looks like, and I just tap it. I usually use Kiss lashes because it's the most natural, I think, and very affordable. Okay, so after my lashes, I put my mascara. I put the gold or bronze right on my lower lashes area, and then put my mascara on my lower lashes. Now we're going to do eye lips. I have my lip liner right here. It's by NYX. Hello. And I am the color Cold Brew. So I'm gonna overline just right in the middle of my bottom lip. I'm gonna overline a little bit on my top lip. I don't know if you can see that. Just the middle, just so I can have like the pouty look. Now I'm gonna outline my actual lip. I start outlining my actual lip. I overline from my bottom lip just in the middle area. And I'm gonna do the same thing right here where I'm gonna outline my exact lip. And then I'm gonna blend up, okay? So I'm gonna do the same thing on my upper lip. I don't do too much on my upper lip. So since I'm gonna be out all day, I want to keep my lips still have a little bit of a color of it. Like if I don't have time to touch up my lips, I usually use Super Stay by Maybelline. I love this because when I'm eating and everything, like my lipstick does fade, but at least I still have that color on my lips, you know? So this really helps me all day long because I don't really like touching up my makeup throughout the day. I want to just put my makeup on and just keep it like that all day. So basically every little area, you have to wait for like a few seconds until it starts to dry. And you'll know when it's really dry. Comes with a moisturizer on this other side. It comes off like this, and this one's the lipstick side. Now I feel that it's starting to dry. I just put the moisturizer, and if you don't want to use the moisturizer, you can just put your lip gloss just like that. So I have my highlighter, the same color as what I use for my nose. Dab that right there. Just a little bit. Okay, to have that little more pouty look effect on your lips, I use either a nude, a little bit lighter color lipstick, or just a nude color eyeshadow. But today I'm gonna use a nude color eyeshadow, and I'm actually gonna put that right in the middle of my lips right here. It kind of looks like a light reflection. So this is the finished look. This is the NYX Dewy Finish. While your face is still a little bit wet from the setting spray, I usually do a smile and I blend in where all my creases are so they don't leave a line of makeup. So there it is. It's more dewy, it looks natural. It's perfect for the fall season. Thank you guys for watching till the end of this video. If you like this video, just smash that like button down below and subscribe to my channel to support my channel, and of course click that notification bell down below to get notified for my next upcoming videos. I'll see you guys on my next one.